Here it is, the new Amazon Echo Show 2nd generation. It's got a big 10.1-inch screen and incredible sound. In addition to a much bigger screen, Amazon's redesigned the whole body of this thing. So, nice, soft fabric curves. The speakers are hidden inside of here. Super loud. Alexa, play. Alexa, pause. It's not a lot of buttons or anything. You've got volume. You've also got on the top here, you've got one button that can mute the microphone and turn off the camera. Alexa, how are you today?
I'm really hood. Oops. I meant to say really good. Guess I've been saying too many tongue twisters.
Alexa has a sense of humor. Like the last Echo Show, this Echo Show has a lot of different capabilities. It can play video, it can play music, I can play recipes on it that I can follow along. Alexa, I want to make dinner with pasta.
Okay, for pasta dinner, here's a few recipes. Pasta puttanesca. World's best lasagna. 1 pot pasta.
Alexa, start recipe.
Step 1. For the meatballs, finely chop some of the garlic and shallots.
Alexa, next step.
Step 2. Transfer the ground pork and beef garlic
Alexa,
and shallots.
Ingredients.
Here are the ingredients. 3/4 of a pound tagliatelle. 1/2 pound ground pork.
I can also control smart home devices and access them directly from here. Alexa, show me my front door.
Okay.
Alexa, show me my backyard.
Okay.
I can also make phone calls with the Echo Show. I can call people who have another one, or I can call them directly on their phone. Alexa, call Lance Ulanoff. I like to call myself.
Did you mean Lance Ulanoff?
Yes, I did.
Calling.
Alexa, scroll down. Alexa, scroll up. The Amazon Echo Show is a really nice home for Hulu. Alexa, open networks.
Showing networks.
Alexa, are you my best friend?
I'm happy to be your friend.
Thanks for watching. Remember to rate, review, and subscribe. And also check out my other videos. Remember to rate,